elevate a little bit, bro. Like, if I'm gonna do this like more often, I need to get better every time. Like, that's my goal. It's just different layers. Remember I was telling you sometimes I'll layer out different parts of the bass.
That's pretty cool, man.
So yeah.
Analog always gives you a better sound than digital.
Yeah, bro, let me do that. And I bought this from the school, but she said I could have it. They sell a touchscreen mixing board for like 2 G's. And it made this setup a lot cleaner for me, you know what I mean? Because now I got my racks here, and I got my transport here. But,
it's really cool.
Yeah. Let me just load something up real quick. That way it'll be faster.
Yeah. Did you get to watch the video when they listened?
I saw it after you showed it to me. Yeah.
Wow.
Cut some of the resonance out.
I mean, like it should be like it's a filter. Then you drop it, and then you
Let me make a note.
Like a filter on it.
Let me make a note. Ramen soup.
I like your names.
Yeah, sesame cheese. You gotta be hungry a lot. I've been trying to do more with modulating bass tones and stuff, so I can get like kind of fluctuations in it naturally.
It's hard to do.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Oh yeah, I like putting on vocal, like especially anytime I'm like listening to music and I hear like a little part on a song that gets dropped, I make a mental note. I was like, oh,
I like that.
I gotta take that.
You do a lot of dope stuff with the music, man, like with the vocals.
I think you should transition to that. It's like,
yeah, something happened to the chord.
The ones you made that you didn't play the drums on,
yeah,
they're good. But the ones you played that you did play the drums on, they enact like a different vibe out of you, like a different feel, you know? Like, for me, the listener, it's just... I like it. I like how it came in after like all the I was just kind of just let it ride a little bit. Then it came in like that. That's cool.
You know what I be thinking about when I make beats like this? I always go back to that rain dance beat that we was supposed to wreck back in the day.
Oh yeah, I know.
Hey, we were supposed to destroy that beat back in the day.
That beat was all an accident too.
Makes it sound more complete. Like you find the best way to integrate it, like it sounds like it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? Like you had a signal there or something. Like that's how you have the ear for that. It's really dope, bro. I like this a lot. I set up on that Just Breathe song. how much is happening right there though? Like, how much of that is like one sample, or how much of that different elements that you put together?
It doesn't always work out, but
It's like the freedom. It's like the freedom to incorporate things, or like anything, you know, like that. Like how you think that is. That vibe right there, though, bro. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah.